What are the habits that are going to make you the best version of you? For me, that is starting with very basic physical needs that my body needs to function at its best. Hi everyone, happy Thursday. We're almost there. I'm pretty much there though. It's the end of my week. I wanted to come on and show you guys something kind of cool that I've been doing, and I've been sharing it with some other providers and some of my friends, and they've been like, that would actually be super helpful. I was just doing it for myself, but I figured I'd come on and show you guys to see if maybe it'd be something that would help you too. So I'm Dr. Nicole Smith, by the way. I'm the founder of Antigravity Wellness. I am a board-certified menopause provider, practice in Washington, Oregon, and Idaho, and telemedicine primarily. And I also have a physical location in Kennewick, which we are having an event this weekend. We're having a workshop on Saturday from 10 to 11:30. I'm co-hosting with Dr. Desiree Lyle from Raise the Bar Physical Therapy. So if you're in town, you should come. It'd be fun. So anyways, what I did is I got this journal, pretty sage color. I got it on Amazon. It's Amazon. Some people call it. There's like different colors, and it's a very nice journal. It's got like, you know, little things there, a little pen holder and all that. But it's graph paper. You know I like a good chart, don't you? Those of you that know me. So I got this idea from Emily McDonald. She is a neuroscientist. She has her own channel. She's got a podcast called M on the Brain. She is so great. She's so cute. I love her so much. I've been following a lot of her stuff. And she's the one who said that she was doing this and then using it with some of her clients. So, and I was like, oh my gosh, I love this idea. Okay, so what you do is you have one side that's like your month, and you can put like an inspirational or something that you're focusing on. Or I like this idea too. How do you want to feel today? It's not what do you want to do, what you want to accomplish, what has to get done. How do you want to feel today? Let's focus on that. We focus on the feeling. Okay. And then the next page, you flip it that way. So it's in like landscape, right? So you flip it this way. You put your habits on the top here, and then the dates, and then you just start checking them off. I have way too many. Okay, don't be crazy like me. I am type A. I'm sorry. But I would say, let's start with what the most important thing is, which is you. What are the habits that are going to make you the best version of you? For me, that is starting with very basic physical needs that my body needs to function at its best. A gallon of water. Yes, I do drink a gallon of water. And guess what? I feel freaking amazing. And some days I actually go over that. Hitting my macros, whether or not it is Monday through Thursday or Friday through Sunday. Because you know how we can all fall off, right? So hitting my macros and tracking them every single day. And yes, I eat carbs. Carbs are not the enemy, and they're not going to make you fat. You know what makes you fat is eating too many calories. It has nothing to do. Body composition changes with macro changes. 80% of your results is from your calories and your macros, okay? Cutting out entire food groups is not healthy for you. That's how micronutrient deficiencies develop. Stop it, especially women in perimenopause. Okay, the next one is 10,000 steps per day. This one's kind of harder for me. Today I'm at 8,000 steps so far. That's okay. Strength train 4 times a week. Take my supplements. Yes, I forget these too. Journal and meditate. Every day. 5 minutes. So I don't have a time limit on here, okay? And then I have connect with a human being. I work from home, guys. Usually it's just my husband. I have to look at him in the eyeballs, okay? Like, how was your day? Tell me more. Okay. An hour of continuing education, an hour of business, an hour of ads, an hour of creative, a newsletter, a blog every week, 2 to 3 stories a day, 2 to 3 lives a week. Hi, this is my live for the week. And money, love. Love on my money. So that's all, that's mine. That's full disclosure. The thing about this is that I can change it. I can go, you know what? You know, I'm going to do a full month, and then I can look through and go, this or these things were really hard for me to hit. Maybe my expectations need to be adjusted. Maybe my priorities need to be moved. This is not an excuse to say, oh, I failed. I'm awful. No, this is not an excuse to beat yourself up. This is an accountability tool and a reflection tool. Okay? So I can look back at some things and go like, I can hit my water goal. There's really no reason why I can't hit my water goal. Unless I'm like traveling or something, then okay, that gets a little bit harder. But when I'm at home, you know, and when I was working at the hospital and I was working 12-hour days and I was working on the floor, guess what? I drank my water. I hit my gallon because it was important to me and I knew that I would function better. Just a 2% dehydration, which you don't really notice. It's not going to make you more thirsty. Your brain function decreases. You get more brain fog, you can get headaches, you feel sluggish. It's not good. It interferes with your digestion. It interferes with your hormones. Becomes so important. You need to drink more water. Okay? And it's so easy. If that's the only thing that you work on this week, drink more water. Also, so I'm looking at my macros and I'm like, oh, maybe I want to change them. You have to stick to it for 2 weeks before you can change anything. Before you say it's not working. You didn't even stick with it. And I'm yelling at myself here, not just you, okay? Because we're so good at that. But this makes it so that you can't BS yourself. And I like paper better than only having an app. I have apps. I got all the apps, guys. But having to look at it and like really see it in front of you, it's different. It's just different. So if this speaks to you, if you think this might help you, do it. I'm loving it. I'm noticing a difference. And it helps me to feel like I'm moving forward too, because it can get so humdrum, right? Those daily things that you need to do that you want to do for you, by the way. So this is not some arbitrary list that, oh, I think I should be doing all these things because somebody on TikTok or something told me to. No, these are things that I know because I've done this before that will help me, that will move me forward. And I can trust in the process and I can see if it's working or not. It's data. It's data. Instead of just constantly relying on your emotion, which is all over the place, right? So this is very helpful. So if you find this helpful, let me know. If you try something else and that works for you, awesome. Also let me know, because I'm always curious to see what people are doing out there that's working for them, because everyone's different. Not everyone's brain works like me. I know. I'm weird. But in a way that hopefully you like. And if you don't, I'm sorry. But also there's other people out there for you. All right, guys, have a good night. I'm going to go eat my food now, and that will include carbohydrates. Carbs are good for you. Eat your carbs. All right, I love you. Bye.